Hi, I'm just shooting this video to show you more about our VIP plan. To get to it, you go to livethedreamonline.net. That's LIVETHEDREAMONLINE.net, livethedreamonline.net, and you scroll right down until you come to this box here with the black border and the red VIP sign in the middle. This is the VIP membership, and it's $30 per month. Let me just show you what you get for that price. You get all these courses here. We have self-development, we have social media courses, and we have internet marketing courses, all for you for only $30 per month. And it retails, if you were to buy it all in one go, it will retail at $286, and you're getting it for $30 per month, which is not bad at all, really. So if you would like to have a look at this video, this page in more detail, if you're on YouTube, then click the link in the description and you'll be taken to this page. If you are on this page already, you will see this as the promotional link. That is the promotional video that is displayed just here. It will be, so you'll find it here. So click on the link that's going to be here and you'll find this video. You get videos for the price. You get videos, you get downloadable audios and downloadable PDFs. The idea with the downloadable audios is so that you can listen to them on your way to work, on your commute, on wherever you travel in the day, or wherever you, whenever you're not by your computer, you can tune in to the audio versions of these courses, and that will keep you up to date with what's going on, and it will really enable you to learn more quickly and to really excel in your courses and your learning. So if you are interested in looking at these further, there is a link in the description if you're on YouTube, and you will be on the page already if you're watching this from our website. So this is what you get. Now we currently have around about 8 courses coming per month to this page, this plan. So check it out at livethedreamonline.net. Scroll down until you see the VIP sign and click on it, and this is what you get. So you would enroll for just $30 per month, and that's all it costs, $30 per month, down from $286 per month. If you're not happy, you have a 30-day window to get your money back. We'll give you a whole 100% refund if you're not happy, but you'll be missing out on all of the goodies that are coming in. So if you want to check it out, please do so, and I look forward to helping you more in the future and to providing you some courses that you really need to take, you really want to take, and that will really benefit your business, benefit your life, benefit your career. Whatever you're doing in the day, it will benefit you with self-development, internet marketing and social media courses. So thank you for watching this, and stay cool. Thank you. Bye.